Hey guys, Spider Inferno here, and I am super excited. I have been waiting over a year for this day, and I finally got the PS4 Insomniac console. I can't wait, which includes games. And I can't wait to open it up. I'm gonna do an unboxing video today. But before I get started, I'm in my Spider-Punk cosplay. As you can see, suit made by RPC Studio. If you want a nice suit like this, visit rpcstudio.com. All right. Let's bust open this bad boy. I can't freaking wait. I've been in need of a PS4 Pro. Oh yeah. Check this bad boy out. I haven't even opened it up yet, and I'm excited. And we have a cat. Hey Cassie, get down here. Okay. Alright. So let's check this out. 1 terabyte PS4 Pro. I can play it on my 4K TV. What? Focus on me, not the cat. Alright. You know, sometimes with these lenses, it's a little hard to... There we go. Alright, let's bust this open. I know actually Spider-Punk, this cosplay, actually is in the game. It's a limited release. I think it's part of the special edition promo code, which I believe this does come with. Alright, what do we got? The game. I can't wait to play this. If you guys want to see me play this game actually in different cosplays, because I literally have probably most of the cosplays in this video game, comment below in my video and let me know which costumes you like to see me play it in. And let's look and check out this bad boy. Spider-gasm. Wow, look at that. Huh. Nice and red. Goes with my wall. Maybe I should just hang this up on my wall. Who needs to play it? Just joking, I'm not gonna play it. Wow, look at that. Let's make that a little bit better. Got the console. We got the game. And there's one more thing in here. Really should be in here. That I may have there. Alright. So this should contain the cables. And I'm looking for the controller. There it is. Wow. That is a nice looking controller. Look at that. Wow. Alright everybody, so there we have it, the Spider-Man PS4 limited edition console. I'm Spider Inferno in my Spider-Punk cosplay. And I hope everybody right now has their copy, is sitting on their couch and is enjoying this game. I'm a little bit late, just got home from work, did this unboxing, and that's exactly what I am going to do. I'm gonna hook this up. So before I go, this is one last look at this beauty. Oh, that's right. Punk out.